So you're asked for the minimum value, and if you were looking at the entire function, there is no minimum value because this goes down forever in both directions. However, it says over the domain or interval -4 to -1. So that means only when x is between -4 and -1. And here's -4. So we would have to get rid of everything there. And then -1 is right here. Well, that hits the graph somewhere down here. We don't know where. We'd have to get rid of the graph everywhere below that. We're just looking at this part of the graph, and we want the very minimum number. So hopefully you can see it's down here. But what is that? Well, the first thing we know is definitely x equals -1. It's this part of our interval that controls that. Next, the function was y equals f of x equals -3 quantity x plus 3 quantity squared plus 4. So I could take that x and plug it right in, and that would give me the answer. When I do, I get -3 times -1 plus 3 quantity squared plus 4. That's my y, and it turns out to be -8. Or I could say, hey, I know that I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3, no, over 2 in the x, from -3 to -1, and then how far down do I go? Well, if we think about our table is 1, 1, 2 equals 4, but remember, I'm taking everything and multiplying by -3. So I'm really down 12. And I'm down 12 from my maximum of 4, so 4 minus 12 is also -8. Two different ways to get the same answer. The minimum value was -8 when x equaled -1, but that's not what we were asked for. It was just needed to pick up the right answer.